Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word proximity, its meaning, definition and the example. Proximity. The definition of proximity is the state, quality, sense, or fact of being near or next, closeness. The synonyms of proximity are closeness, adjacent, nearness, redundancy. Now let me show the example of proximity word in sentences are: being in close physical proximity is an example of intimate flirting. A conjunction is formed when two or more planets are within close proximity. Meeting and communicating by proximity is an exciting new feat. No one was aware of the dangerous proximity of the French army. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.